Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you part 2 of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes, and we're going to go ahead and get started right now. Mariah Koehle here. Welcome back to the channel. So glad you are here. This channel is literally everything you need to know about Salt Lake City, Utah, eating, sleeping, working, playing, and living here. If you are interested in finding out more information about that, consider subscribing down below so you don't miss a thing. We hear from people like you all the time that are relocating or moving here to Utah, and we absolutely love it. Feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'd love to help you if you are thinking about making a move out here. So, if you have not checked out part 1 of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes, go back to my playlist. You can take a look at part 1 of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes. I ended up taking my 2 daughters, my 9-year-old and my 7-year-old with me. They actually begged this time. I have not taken them for the last couple years. And then when they come back and they see my pictures and my videos and all of that, they're like, "Mommy, why did you not take us?" I'm like, "Oh, I don't know if you can really handle it." Well, they totally could handle it. They absolutely loved it. And my experience taking my two daughters with me this time even made it that much more fun because I got to see it through their eyes and everything. So it was amazing. I would love for you to comment down below through this tour that when you come and you watch the videos here, I would love to hear what you loved, what room, what house, what landscape. Comment down below and share with me what your favorite things were, and I'm sure they were some of my favorite things too. Thank you so much for joining me on this Utah Valley Parade of Homes tour part 2. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Honestly, the Utah Valley Parade of Homes is one of my very, very, very favorite parades in the state of Utah. I just think it's fabulous. There are so many incredible builders and architects and landscape designers and interior designers, you name it. And the teams they come together with are amazing. If you are looking to move or relocate to Utah, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. We hear from people like you all the time, and we love it. Take care.